This video you're watching was completely edited by an app that makes Claude look like a toy. All I had to do was upload my footage, select the style and click Edit Video. What I got back was this beautiful finished Fludge timeline. The edit was already finished, but if I wanted to change anything, I still could. And I'm doing all of this from my phone. All I do now is click Render Video. And that's it. Sure, you can make beautiful video edits with Claude too. But to get there, you need a computer. You need to learn how to use editing frameworks like hyperframes or Remotion, set up tools, templates and skills, write prompts and go through multiple correction rounds. Building your own system can be fun, but it takes time. It is complicated, and even after all that work, Claude can still make bad cuts, clip words and create graphics that do not look how you imagine them. Fludge gives you this kind of AI edit without making you build the entire machine yourself. And the quality is even better. Let me show you how it works. First, I upload my main recording. This is just a normal video recorded on my phone, mistakes and all. I select the video directly from my phone. If I already have extra footage, I can upload that too. This is often called supporting footage or B-roll. And I'll come back to this later, because Fludge can also help when you do not have all those extra clips ready yet. Supporting footage could be a screen recording, a product demonstration, footage of a place, a second camera angle, or any other clip I want Fludge to use. There's no project folder to build and no file path to copy. I simply select my file and upload them. Next, I choose how I want the finished video to look. Fludge already has editing style templates I can select. Every style includes a short video preview so I can see how it looks before choosing it. Each style also shows exactly what it includes and what kind of footage it needs. For example, a style may include fast cuts, captions, zooms and punch-ins, B-roll, motion graphics, music, sound effects, picture-in-picture scenes, or a calmer, more natural edit. So I know what I'm selecting before the edit begins. But this is where it gets even more interesting. If I do not want to use one of these existing templates, I can upload an example video. Maybe I see a YouTube video and think, I want my video to feel like that. I can give that example to Fludge. Fludge can learn from the pacing, how often the video cuts, when the speaker is visible, when B-roll appears, how the captions look, how motion graphics are used, where zooms and punch-ins happen, and how music and sound effects support the video. With Claude, I would need to describe many of these details in prompts and instructions. With Fludge, I can simply show it the style I like. Now my footage and editing style are ready. I press Edit Video. And that's it. The heavy work happens in the background. Neither on my phone nor my computer needs to run editing software or render the video itself. If I start it on my laptop, I can close it. I can lock my phone. I can work on something else, or I can go for a walk on the beach. This example took about an hour and a half. Another video may take less, or it depends on the length of the video, the amount of footage, and how complex the selected style is. But during that time, I do not need to sit in front of Claude and keep answering questions. Fludge works on the edit in the background. Now the edit is ready. Fludge gives me the complete editable timeline inside the browser. I can open it on my phone or on my computer. I can see the cuts, the main recording, the B-roll, the captions, the motion graphics, the music and the sound effects, everything edited for me. And if I want to change something, I still can. I can move an element earlier or later. I can adjust a clip. I can correct a word. I can change the position of a graphic. I can adjust the music or replace a B-roll clip. Fludge does the heavy first edit. but I still have control over the final results. Okay, but before I render the video, remember the supporting footage from step 1? Sometimes I do not have every B-roll clip ready when I begin. If my selected style needs more footage, Fludge can place clear placeholders inside the first edit. It then tells me exactly which shots are still missing and what I should record. I can record my screen, record with my camera, upload another clip, or select something from my footage. Or I can tell Fludge that I do not want to add more footage. Fludge then removes the remaining placeholders and finishes the edit without them. When everything looks right, I click Save. Then I click Render Video. Now Fludge creates the finished video. If I only need the video file, I can download it now. But Fludge is built especially for YouTubers. Once the edit is finished, Fludge can research what's already working on YouTube. It looks at relevant public videos, titles, thumbnails, performance signals. Then it uses that research to create title and thumbnail ideas that fit my actual video and have a real chance to get views and perform well on YouTube. The title, thumbnail, and video are designed to work together as one package. Fludge can also prepare the description, tags, upload settings, and the rest of the YouTube metadata. If my YouTube channel is connected, I can review everything and upload the finished video as unlisted. And yes, I can continue through these steps from my phone too. One more thing, Fludge can also help before I record anything. I can give it my topic, my notes, my thoughts, existing research, my ideas, and Fludge can help turn that information into a complete YouTube script. And if I do not know what to make next, there's the Idea Hub. After onboarding, like the first time when I'm using Fludge, it starts preparing the video ideas for me and for my channel. These ideas can already include a topic, an angle, a title, a thumbnail, and a plan for the video. So I can begin with an idea, or I begin with footage I already recorded. Both paths leads through the same YouTube production system. So, Claude is impressive. If you enjoy learning frameworks, training agents, and maintaining your own editing system, you can create something amazing with it. But most creators do not want to build a video editor. They want to make a video. With Fludge, I can upload my footage, select the style, and start the edit. The work happens in the background. I can review and change the complete timeline in my browser. And when the video is ready, I can continue with the title, thumbnail, metadata, and YouTube upload, all from my phone. Claude gives you the parts to build an AI video editor. Fludge gives you the editor. Now, try it out for yourself. Upload one clip, choose a style, and then see what Fludge creates.